Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade clay. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of cornstarch, 2 cups of baking soda, and 1 1/4 cups of cold water. Combine these in a non-stick pot. Stir constantly over medium heat. The mixture will thicken into a dough-like consistency in about 10 to 15 minutes. This simple recipe creates a versatile and easy-to-work-with clay for various projects. Once your clay mixture has cooked, let it cool completely. This is crucial before you begin the kneading process. Transfer the cooled clay to a clean, dry surface and knead it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This develops its smooth texture and workability. To keep your clay fresh, store it in an airtight container or tightly wrapped in plastic. It will last for up to 2 weeks. Now that your clay is ready, it's time to get creative. Roll out the clay to your preferred thickness, just like you would with cookie dough. You can use cookie cutters for precise shapes or sculpting tools for more intricate designs. Once your masterpieces are complete, let them air dry. Depending on thickness, this usually takes 24 to 48 hours for them to fully harden. You can easily customize your homemade clay. For vibrant colors, simply add a few drops of food coloring or a bit of acrylic paint to the mixture while it's cooking or during kneading. You can also add a few drops of essential oils for a pleasant scent, making your crafting experience even more enjoyable. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This clay is perfect for countless creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.